You are the light from the sea, calling life from sleeping soil, weaving breath into the people, letting generations bloom in the mountains, following the traces of your footsteps. We sing the ancient faith aloud, Mother of creation, oh Goddess, you remain our guiding star. You danced above the early sunrise, scattering dreams across the sky, teaching us the ways of sharing and honoring the kindness of the land. You placed a soul within the fire. From the quiet glow of the deep sea, you awaken with the rising tide, stepping gently on the dancing waves, breathing life into the newborn earth. With open hands you shape the forest, taught the rivers how to find their song. Winds began to whisper your stories and listened as the world grew strong. You are the light from the sea, calling life from sleeping soil, weaving breath into the people, letting generations bloom in the mountains, following the traces of your footsteps. We sing the ancient faith aloud, Mother of creation, oh Goddess, you remain our guiding star. You danced above the early sunrise, scattering dreams across the sky, teaching us the ways of sharing and honoring the kindness of the land. You placed a soul within the fire, guarding every home with gentle sight. We gather close to hear you speak of how the world first came alive. You are the light from the sea, calling life from sleeping soil, weaving breath into the people, letting generations bloom in the mountains, following the traces of your footsteps. We sing the ancient faith aloud, Mother of creation, oh Goddess, you remain our guiding star. If the night surrounds the earth again, you will guide us with the moonlit ways. If the sea begins to rise once more, your name will echo through the wind. Remember song, remember path, remember we are one. This is the soul you gave the armies, your gift that lives on. You are the light from the sea, shining through the generations, in the land between the mountains and The rising sun sends echoes only spirits know. The heart of the earth begins to glow. Light on the stone becomes a seed of life below. The path through the tribe whispers in the wind. A maiden finds a shining sun egg warm within. She lifts it gently close to her skin, and all the sky holds its breath as life begins. Oh, child of the sunlight, born from the rain, your blood carries forest ancient pulse today. Oh, hope of the people, bright as dawn's flame. In your eyes the future shines and calls your name. The shell breaks open, golden feathers gleam. A child descends like a vision from an ancient dream. Ancestral spirits circle in the forest stream, whispering, remember the sun from which you came. Oh, child of the sunlight, born from the rain, your breath flows with rivers that still sing yesterday. Oh, the tribe's tomorrow walks with your soul. May your steps bring blessings wherever you go. Shadows dancing by the fire speak the lore, how the sun once loved the mountain's beating core. Every story leads back to that sacred morn when the maiden carried light and creation was reborn. Slowly the sun sets, gilding your path with gold. Child, you are the legend our people still hold. When you face the sky, remember your source. You came from light, and you will carry light forth.
mountain peaks where mists unfold. They heard the sky's command untold. The river mirrored starlit signs, the threads of fate, the heavens wove in lines. The son of dawn with steps of flame, the moonlit girl with silver in her name. From the moment they were pulled apart, their light split one world in two hearts. You rise where morning fires bloom. I sail the quiet seas of moon. We chase across the vaulted blue, each guarding land we once both knew. If we should meet, the sky would roar. Apart our light still reaches shores. The sun and moon forever roam. Our tale becomes the tribe's first home. The burning sun commands the day, turning shadows into gold bright rays. The gentle moon keeps watch at night, blessing sleepers with her soft delight. Brother and sister far they run, divided by the line of sky undone. Yet in their glow the seasons spin. Time's endless wheel begins and ends again. You rise where morning fires bloom. I sail the quiet seas of moon. We chase across the vaulted blue, each guarding land we once both knew. If we should meet, the sky would roar. Apart our light still reaches shores. The sun and moon forever roam. Our tale becomes the tribe's first home. The mountains hum their ancient rhyme, the lake repeats it through all time. Though paths diverge in distant air, their hearts still keep a single prayer. From breaking dawn to deepest night, their myth survives in songs of light, a guiding flame